How to enable picture-in-picture mode on TikTok. So go to your settings application. In here, select General. In this page, scroll down and click on Picture-in-Picture and make sure that this toggle for Start PIT automatically is turned on. Now exit the settings and proceed to the TikTok application. Once you're in the home page, find a live video that you want to play. Now on the bottom right corner of the video, there is a share or an arrow button. Click on that and in here select background player. These settings for background player will then show, and to enable the picture-in-picture mode, make sure that this picture-in-picture option here on the first one is selected. After that, you can try exit the TikTok application, and as you can see, the TikTok live is still showing even if I'm doing something else on the background. So that is how to enable picture-in-picture mode on TikTok. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.